Here we have the Range Rover Autobiography in Eiger Grey. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid. You have privacy glass, 21-inch alloys with this light silver diamond turned finish, a powered tailgate, and plenty of space in the back for all your personal items, which will be kept safe with the privacy glass. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment and executive rear class seating. Stepping back and going into the front, you have keyless entry and Autobiography illuminated tread plates with an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. A rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Sat nav and other functions which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. Cruise control, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. They are also massage with several different settings to choose from, which is a luxury. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. These cars done 8,367 miles. And you also have a digital TV, which is handy if you're ever waiting around to pick someone up or have spare time. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.